Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word enchanté in depth. First, the definition. Enchanté means a French expression meaning nice to meet you or delighted. Think of it simply as a polite and warm way to greet someone for the first time. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Enchanté traces back to enchanté comes from the French verb enchanter, meaning to enchant or delight, first used in the 17th century. Over time, it's been used by French speakers as a charming way to express pleasure when meeting someone. The word is carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use enchanté in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. When meeting someone new in Paris, she smiled and said, Enchanté, to introduce herself. Correct example 2. He nodded politely and said, Enchanté, pleased to make your acquaintance. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to enchanté my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using enchanté correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Enchanté means a French expression meaning nice to meet you or delighted. It comes from French origins about delight and enchantment, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with enchanté down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.